Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you guys my first impression of some magnetic lashes. I've never put any on, and I saw some at Walmart the other day. I know they've been out for a little bit, and I wanted to go ahead and try them here with you guys and see what they're all about, see if they're even worth it. So keep watching. I got the ones from Ardell. So I got these ones from Ardell. They were pretty pricey though. They were like $14.99, something like that, around 15 bucks. If they work, it's probably worth it because you're not applying anything on them. You're not applying glue. You shouldn't be applying mascara anyway, so they should last longer as long as you don't lose them or your son thinks they're spiders and throws them away. Like my son, when he was like 3 years old, he found a pair of my eyelashes, and they were actually some pretty expensive ones. They were like 40 bucks, and I had just put them on for the first time. So he was like, I was asking around to see if anyone saw them because I had put them in my side table the night before, and he says, no, I didn't see them, I just saw some spiders and I threw them away. Really? So be careful, because if anyone thinks your eyelashes, your expensive eyelashes are spiders, then that's not good. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and try these. So it has the upper part. So it's kind of just the corner of the lash. You put the upper one. Let's see. And then there's the lower one. Oh my god. Oh. That's not bad at all. And that was super simple. Let's try the other one. So I'm trying to put the upper one first as close as I can to my lash line, because once I guess it's just kind of hard getting them to stick right in your lash line, because they basically stick like once you put the other one, once you stick the other one on, it's gonna stick wherever the upper one is. So if it's not exactly on your lash line, it'll stick like in the middle of your lash. They actually look good. Like when you're in a hurry or something, you just want to get it done quick. Or you just don't like putting on the lashes with glue, or you're allergic to the glue. I don't know, but they're not bad at all. Alright guys, well thank you. If you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe, and I'll be making more content for you guys. I know there's not much up yet, but there will be, I promise. And those of you that stick with me since the beginning, you guys are going to be in my heart.